In today's video I want to show you what are the Reddit channels or subreddits which I follow. Now as a software developer it is necessary you follow these subreddits because anytime there is a new announcement for the particular technology which you have been working on is the best way to stay updated. Also you can ask lot of questions on these subreddits, like you might have struggled with Stack Overflow with your question getting downvoted all the time. So yeah, subreddit is a better option to stay updated as well as ask relevant questions to the community as well. So all you have to do is create, I know a lot of you might already have a subreddit account, so if you don't, create a subreddit account. And first I will like I am following a lot of channels, but as a software developer I will tell you what channels you should be following. But apart from this, if you have any recommendation, do let me know in the comments. So first one which I think is r/android dev. This is for native Android development. Then other which I follow interesting is r/ask programming. So here you can ask general purpose programming questions. Then if you are interested in AWS, you can follow r AWS. Then this is Bevy is for a game engine which is developed in Rust, like it is still in its initial phases, but keep an eye on it. And Blender, which is like I'm trying to learn Blender, like it's very difficult for me. Like it is a 3D modeling software, and I think it is already quite popular because it is free and open source. And I think with the launch of Vision OS from Apple, it is going to get even more popular. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Next is Carbon Lang. Now this is an experimental language developed by Google. Like it is still experimental, which would be a successor to C++. Like it would be interesting to see how far it goes, given that how dominant C++ is. And there have been languages which have tried to replace C++ and have failed in their attempt. Next, which I think, yeah, you can follow the C++ or CPP. Okay, next, what else? Next is the Dartlang if you are into Flutter development. Data science if you are into data science and machine learning. Then for .NET if you are into .NET and Docker as well. Then for Flutter dev if you are into Flutter as well as Flutter help. Then Godot, Godot or Godot, however you pronounce it, I think it is pronounced as Godot. So this is a game engine which is free and open source, and I think it is giving good competition to Unity and Unreal. So if you want light software, as compared, like Unity and Unreal are extremely bulky, but Godot can run even on your Android phone, which I won't recommend, but yeah, it would run even on substandard PCs and laptops very fast. So that's the advantage of Godot, and also it is free and open source, so you don't have to pay them anything. Golang, I would highly recommend it. Then GraphQL. GraphQL is an alternative to your REST APIs. Golang is a programming language. Then Java if you are into Java programming, JavaScript as well. Then Kotlin, like these are all programming language. Laravel if you are into PHP. What else? Machine learning. Then Android Dev is like it is making fun of Android developers, or because how sometimes complex Android can get and how things are getting deprecated every time in Android development. So if you want just a fun channel, it sometimes it does get offensive, so be careful of that. So yeah, it depends on your taste of how you like humor. Nest.js is a good one, which is kind of like an competition to Express.js, but Nest.js I think is a more full stack backend framework, because it supports, along with REST API, supports GraphQL and gRPC. Then Next.js, it is uh, like React.js on steroids, but it is much more better. Okay, then r/programming is fine. If you are into Raspberry Pi, you can follow this. Then React.js, React Native. What else? Then Spring Boot. Then Swift, Swift UI. Then Three.js. WebRTC. So yeah, these are the channels which I follow. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.